Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Identify the finish, brushed or mirror, because direction matters. Grab a microfiber, 0000 steel wool, a mild rubbing compound, and 70% plus isopropyl alcohol. Clean a small hidden edge. This shows how the surface reacts and prevents bigger mistakes. Once done, dry and inspect under good light. You want to see if the grain lifts or color shifts. If the test is safe, position a towel below the work area to catch residue, and prepare to work with the grain. You now treat the scratch. Apply a pea-sized amount of rubbing compound to a clean microfiber. Rub gently with the grain in short, overlapping strokes. Pressure should be firm but controlled. For deeper marks, follow with 0000 steel wool, always moving with the grain to avoid cross-marring. Wipe residue frequently with alcohol to check progress, because buildup can hide improvements. Make incremental passes. Stop and inspect every 10-15 seconds, so you refine the finish without removing too much material. You finish by removing any haze. Apply a non-abrasive stainless polish or a few drops of olive oil, and buff lightly with a clean microfiber until the grain and sheen match surrounding areas. Make sure to follow the original grain direction so the repair blends seamlessly. If a shadow or discoloration remains, repeat the small test and rework gently. If metal shows or the finish changes, stop and consult a professional to avoid permanent damage. One tip: always keep movements with the grain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.